Hi, I'm Jack. I was right in the middle of playing my favorite video game when this weird thought popped into my head. Why is water see-through? So I paused my game, looked at my water bottle, and thought, let's figure this out. Let's imagine water as a quiet little wizard that wears an invisible cloak. It's all around us, in lakes, oceans, glasses, and even in our bodies, but we can see right through it. Why? Well, here's the cool science part. Water is made of teeny tiny things called molecules. They're so small you can't see them unless you have a super microscope. But more importantly, these molecules don't block or bounce most of the light that hits them. See, light is made up of different colors, and when it hits stuff, it usually bounces off or gets absorbed. That's how we see color. But water? Water is like, hey light, go right ahead. It lets most of the visible light pass straight through without grabbing or stopping it. That's why water looks transparent to us. Now, if you shine special lights like infrared or ultraviolet, water can start to absorb those. But since our eyes can't see those kinds of light, water still looks clear to us. So, water's not really invisible. It just doesn't mess with light the way other things do. And that's the cool, science-y reason why water wears an invisible coat and lets us see right through it.